evening everyone, Maazi Ezeoke here. The video you are going to see is what is happening in the southeast in the midst of the COVID-19. Here in Enugu state, we can see workers protesting just because they do not have any materials that they work with. So the government basically wants them to go and treat COVID-19 patients with bare hands. Just watch their video as they protest in Enugu. This is unbelievable that this is happening in the heartland of the Igbo nation.
As you can see, there are nurses there and they are protesting. They said no working materials for nurses. So the thing is actually getting out of hand. This Parkland Hospital in Enugu. As we all know. It's actually turning to something else over here.
So in Enugu, the nurses are basically protesting, saying that they need more materials. For instance, look at how Lagos State has respected people, packaged, in a humane form. Every human being can get this thing and be happy as a human being. Watch this video and see how this lady explained what Lagos State government and how they came over to their house and delivered this and compare that.
Hi guys, Lagos State just delivered these items all in this bag. Just deliver this to, I guess they're going house by house. I stay in VI and nobody should say because I stay in VI, that's the reason why I got this. But in this is Gary, this is beans, and this is rice. Well, and apparently there's loads and loads of bread available. So this is saying thank you to Lagos State. I know it's it's not like we're grateful. More of this to come. Please, corporate bodies also see what's being done. So please just follow. And you can also give your neighbors. If you really don't need these things, you can give to people who do need them. Thank you very much, Lagos State. We appreciate.
Don't even think that madness only exists in the southeast. Here is Kano state government actually trying to, I'm trying hard not to laugh here. Here is Kano state government trying to, they're trying to spray the street. Basically, I mean, you might think they are watering the ground. State is not alone in this madness. Here in Lagos, see what they are trying to do to spray the street. And you think, is this guy kidding? What is he doing? And they must have siphoned billions doing this like mad people. Unbelievable. On a lighter note, in order to evade boredomness, this is what adults are now doing. Somewhere in Ebon, and people disobeyed the social distancing law, and the community came in with some security men, and this happened. Stay at home. That is a simple message. Do not try to go anywhere so that you do not fall a victim like this guy here that had this encounter with a soldier.
Hey.